Etiefo so you be a wetie me since Andra any Andrea. Who say the story be a bremo na a robbery case. I say robbers necessary wo use modus operandi bi. E ka modus operandi a kwan bi so asisi wo mo dey robbery. Answer the better as on subscribe and click the notification bell no and no any that screen so sisi we na say latest news bi aba wonsa ebeka. Yenyante ye from Ghana News Agency. Etiefo na eni enye de yate ene say am robbers bi womo ye be 5 a yesusu say womo ye fulani for a no omo she mask womo akorobe eye passenger vehicles bi me ne worker say 22 passengers and we'll say they've actually been affected by this na no more na eye sprinter mu sprinter bus no. The registration number AS187116. Na sprinter bus dia na efri Kumasi Airport Tatale in the northern region. 3 days ni I've been reporting on a lot of robbery cases. Now most of them no Ubon say is from the northern side of the country. I don't know what's happening at the northern side of the country. But 3 days ago, me the reports be bremo. I think Upper West to say na Nkrofo Esun ewo. Say almost every day they record robbery cases ewo. And I say the northern side of the country no meaning say armed robbers are shade kugu ho dia about police for yesremo. Make that place safer for us. Yesremo pa yesremo. Now for continuing the story no senior na America no say can the registration number na me bottle no AS1871 na efri Kumasi Airport Tatale. Na bus driver no will be with 32 years. Ni din ede Mr. Eliasu Isa. What they send be etu just send and send near a course no. Na mebo bosso atremo. Na etiefo was say baby a ade ni si ye no. Esi ewo yese udu curve bi ye friend no Salenkpan minim ho edin no na trese wo mo abo a me nso meka bi. Yese baby wo friend Salenkpan na some district bi ewo northern region ho your friend Mion district udu ho a curve bi ho a your friend Salenkpan nti oye say wo udu curve no na ya homachi o asem we make homachi be 2 a ekobo 3 nti wo ye say wo udu curve no e na wo hu say embranche bi gina ohun mu echi wo say ya homachi nti driver no waso ne headlight nti ohun branche no we echi say embranche bi ejina kwan ne so odu ho na wo hu se embranche no aso torchlight ato driver no neni so ati ase a wo mo order ne se wonjina na driver no wo bo hu because so sha na embranche wo mo kita etio enkrante tese etio enye etio pistol keke o etio tintin AK47 rifles ne san nyama no udi agra ye bebo otu ekun wo ye driver na bibisa no wo ye won se oye we ya wo mo be sha se wo mo shutu bus no Omo shoot bus ne so a passengers no sebe etio ne bebe come ama wo ma yeden ebi mo betumi ewu enti driver no oblage ye de etio no esi ne ye de torchlight ne si ne so no na oblage no hu branch no ono aseni ana branch na shamat no ono ahu de na AC ohun say robbery case enti o si ye na trese wo si ye no na armed robbers no de etio ne si ne so na wo maka tre ne say won bie passenger side no na warmer passengers ni nia NC form Abrantie Nkrofo 5 edi etio ene second yesi so obetumi ni omo akwana untumi it he just oblige ena wo okobie passenger side no ena tese passengers ni nia esi for metiefo na rewo sem ne say passengers ya wo mote eye kanim no dodo na eye dwadefo a yese wo mo akodidwa ewo Kumasi a tese wo mo ekofa chese wonze wo mo fi the northern side inti misusu se wo mo yekuyafo nti wo mo de in normal omonyoma no Kumasi ekoton ye at least sika abefie ana sika abehye wo mata so wo mo de ikofie e de akohwe wo mo ho so ati ase na etiefo assembly akoto wo mo wo kwan so am Roberts na akoji wo mo ho sika and dra say me the reports be brel say Eastern region and also the same robbery case in Nkrofo mienu bi fulani mienu bi a ye chi omo ewo Eastern region and also the same thing almost so yesi di omo ye ne say wo mo nim say market day in Nkrofo be ba be digwa wo ba be digwa no be digwa ni wie no omo kwa no mo ko gina kwan ne so na wo mo adwo mo hu sika ne anti akwa say it is the modus operandi now, it is the new thing as you see robbers no ye dwadifo na wo mbekwa kodi dwa no na mo ahyede ebegina kwan wonim se odwadifo no ende ye market day wo makoton nyama wo beba be ebi ochina ahomache wo ba no mo begina kwan ho age eye wo musika na wo mo ayeti wo musika no. I just have some 3 names here, victims ni bi ayeti wo musika no. Ba ko din de Madam Efia ya Dakoa wono wase ni sika ayeti ye wo ne ho 2,400 cedis. Aside 2,400 cedis no, almost also edge in the mobile phone. Another person, so Madam Efia Mensa, one also ni sika yeje one ho 1,500 cedis. On also yes also in the mobile phone. Madam Salimba Nsembu, on also ni sika one na ni sika sopon no ni sika yeje 3,000 cedis. On also yes also edge in the mobile phone. It's here for area hosem. Na the other people no so yejeje ye bank for 3 way na wo modin ye betumi de atodwa ye de atodwa yeje wo musika ene wo mobile phones wa wonim endem radio wo bi eni wa betumi aka se wo use mobile phone into Roberts no Asia wo kwan musa na chese wo mo se wo mo eje ana wo mo ka se fa mobile phone ba eya na eye den wo ntumi nga se wo ni mobile phone odi agokra o mo de be femu abo otu ekun keke. It's here for a hosem na eno ena chese driver yi a ye friend Eliasu yi was say wo ho na Roberts no robi omo no another car enso buy ana car no free trip on the district in the northern region na wo nso passengers wo car nim ena wa wonim say wo bi etu kwan a ni ba ko no tumi gas one fast car enhye no ho nti sa car ne buy no ena Roberts no almost also echo Roberts aka ni biom esanso the same thing na ma microphone no esiye agigi wo mo hu sika ena tese phones ani bibia etiefo inti driver no wase die esiye ene se sa next car ne ba ya an Roberts no wo mo de wo mo attention network ha car ne so no ena no driver wo nya ne ho edwane ye eko share enra ne mu. Because baby and Roberts no womo ya de no wa onim say Roberts wo muntumi enko yese wo mo robe e wo kwan ho pete sa. Obviously there will be bushes in case the police for bar Roberts no wo mo betumi adwane ati ase aha enti no driver no hu say Roberts no concentrating on that different car na if you trip on the street no e na wo dwane ko share bush nim nti ko share bush nim na wo kopie wo kro bi so ena wo bo ngofo na wo kro no so amane ena wo mode no eko police station na police for edi o machi eba ho no na tese Roberts no wo mo adwane ko de daada Roberts na ngase hu se senior driver na adwane na tese driver no wo ko free police so aba nti Roberts no mo adwane ko de daada tese passengers no still ebi mo ededa de phone ho a police for escort you mo eko the police station etie for eno ene nsema eba from Tatali atiase Roberts a tese ye chi omo sa kwan no em se kef na edina mambo ni Salinkpan nti a lot of people are commenting on this nkofo bebe trewo ma adwen because the upsurge of robbery cases in especially the northern side of the country is becoming unbecoming. Now your best authorities no say they have to actually do something about this. People are crying over there. Yes, Anna. I mean, it makes it very difficult because just within 2 days, I've reported on over 10 armed robbery cases in various parts of the country. And in Washa, especially the northern side, upper, I'm saying, Maya Adan, my reported last 2 days, my reported on Adan 2 robbery cases. In fact, 3. On no robbery cases, no, and then Grofone robbery, and then the next day, Woma be robbery, not the next day, Woma be robbery. I have even an update on that. I made a bedroom later throughout the day. My robbery cases on Adan, my on Eastern region, my on Upper West, I'm say Upper East, Kramayebi, and Sana Wayne, so Northern region, and Kasankasamu. And you know, we share how things are going on. It's as if Obi Nim, who is actually giving these robbers this intel, but it's as if they are ahead of the police in things like this. Into yes, Remo, opposite for you actually need to do something about this because it's becoming serious. It's becoming serious. Osha jadi fo asebe wo mo abre ado. Wa wonim se wo do a enya se wo do ende a na ochina na wo dua bibi ende a na ochina na chesa abao. Asa wo twen wo wota odo wie na wangasa wa fanya ma na kokoro kesi ma koton enyiska. onim say at least sika no anye bia no odi bi beba be hye kwa adwuma animu odi bi be hwe fie e bia na won ba bi so eku school a wo de be hwe won so na tre say nipa bonefo bi be gina kwan ho esan say wo create you say we be kwa hwe no na 22 23 and bra say robbery cases are now you say full men e wo Eastern Region o so the same thing wo mo twen in Nkrofo market day wo mo koton ade we na wo mo be gina Eastern Region kwan so age Nkrofo ni sika no and bra ye kwa hwe mo age na 23 22 party as here. These are things we actually need to curb in this country. Montreal Madrid, our comment box in for Medase.